Your inner critic gone crazy on you? Sometimes happens to me. Here's a quick tapping exercise that's going to help you. So first you think about, why don't I give myself a big dose of self-forgiveness? And then what if I give myself a big dose of self-love? And then what if I give myself a big dose of joy energy? Tapping, here's what it would look like. First, measure how strong is your inner critic. How down on yourself are you? I hope it's not way up high at a 10, but here's what you do. Whatever it is, even though I'm beating up myself, I love and forgive myself. I'm beating myself up. My inner critic is going crazy. I love and accept myself. I love and accept myself. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. I forgive myself. It just feels so good, right? I'm only human. I'm a wonderful human. I love being human. I love being human. Now let's give ourselves a dose of self-love. I love myself. I'm pretty awesome. Everybody makes mistakes. I forgive and love myself. Forgive and love myself. Forgive and love myself. Forgive and love myself. Take a deep breath in and out and just let some of that criticism go. I forgive and love myself. I forgive and love myself. You might start feeling like singing, right? I love myself. Ah, yes. Oh, pretty wonderful. I love myself. Now my favorite, let's call in the energy of joy. You know you can command energy, right? So here we go. I'm inviting the energy of joy to come into my body, to come into my spirit, to make me bubble all over. Oh, it just makes you feel like screaming with joy if you let it. I'm inviting joy. I love being joyful. I love being joyful. Nana, nana, boo, boo, to the inner critic. I love being joyful. I love being joyful. Woo! Woo! I love being joyful. Now, don't you feel better? I sure do. So, take a rating again to where you started to where you are now. Now, share this video with somebody, okay? Help somebody else have a better day. I'm Rebecca Marina, EFT expert, and I'll have a link below where you can get more joy and more videos to uplift you.